Video number 4, how your business can get the most out of Facebook. Facebook has an awesome set of marketing tools that almost no other platform may offer to you. What we are going to show you in videos 4 through 10 is Facebook pages, Facebook groups, Facebook apps, Facebook events, Facebook ads, Facebook audiences, and Facebook pixels. Facebook pages. A Facebook page refers to a public profile that you create specifically for your business, brand, cause, or any other purpose based on your interests. Unlike your personal Facebook profile, pages gain fans instead of friends. In this context, a fan on your Facebook page is described as anyone who chooses to like your page. Here is an exclusive overview of how to create a Facebook page that meets your business interests effectively. Creating a page. To create a page, start by visiting the Pages section on your Facebook profile, and that tells your audience what your page offers. The description, a maximum of 155 characters, allows your page to show up in the right search results. Even though it is possible to add more details to your page later from the page settings, it is recommended that you do it during the setup process. Choose a unique Facebook web address. The address will make it easier for people to find your page. Remember that once you set your web address, it can only be changed once. After creating a web address for your page, Facebook will require you to choose whether you are a business, establishment, or a venue, a real building. Furthermore, Facebook will require you to agree whether your page will be the authorized and official representation of your establishment, business, or venue. You can save your information once you click yes on both sections, but you have the option to skip this step and add the information at a later time. Add a profile picture. You can add a profile picture by uploading one from your computer or importing from a website. Make sure your profile picture uniquely matches your business, product, or place. Add to favorites. You can choose whether to add your new page to the favorites section of your Facebook profile to easily access it at any time. Preferred page audience. This section allows you to tell Facebook the group of people you wish to target. Even though anyone can find your page, Facebook works effortlessly to ensure your page appears to the people who matter the most. In setting your preferred page audience, you will be required to add your target locations, age, gender, and interests. Locations. In this section, add the countries, states, cities, or zip codes where the people you wish to connect with are located. You could choose to either include or exclude certain locations for a more specified audience. Additional metrics for targeting may include showing your page to everyone in your chosen location, people who live in your chosen location, people who visited your preferred location recently, and people traveling to your chosen location. Important note: zip and city codes might not be available in all the countries you wish to target. Age. This section allows you to select the minimum and maximum age of the audience that is likely to find your page relevant. Gender. Choose a specific gender of the people you would like to connect with on your page. You can choose all if you have no specific gender to target. Interests. In this section, add the interests of the audience you are targeting. Facebook can help you connect with a specific audience by checking on the activities, interests, pages, and other closely related topics that your target audience likes. Page overview. Once you add these details, your page setup process is complete. There are various parts of your page that you might need to familiarize yourself with before using your page. These sections include Page. Everything you need to manage your Facebook page is available on these tabs. Like. A button used for your fans to show support for your page. When people visit your page, they can see how many people support you by checking on the number of likes. Messages. You can manage messages from your fans in this section. Notifications. Activities on your page will appear here. Publishing tools. Provides insights on how to reach a wider audience much more easily. Other sections may include Create Call to Action, Timeline, About, Photos, Reviews. Once you have your Facebook page ready, you will have to learn how to use it effectively for the benefit of your business.